Hey there. I wanted to update this video here, and it's gorgeous out, and I wanted to come outside. So hopefully the lighting is okay and we don't get too much noise. But I wanted to just show you how to get into your Beachbody On Demand account and navigate around there just a little bit. So I'm going to share my screen, and you have a Beachbody On Demand login when you created your account, when you enrolled and purchased your pack. So you go to beachbodyondemand.com and it'll bring you to this homepage, and you'll see programs, bod groups, and blogs. So when we go to programs, it's bringing you to where all the workouts and the nutrition center are. So once you get in here, you can check out the program materials that you have available to you online. So let's just say you got hashtag MBF. You have access to the workouts right away. And even though you may be waiting for your Shakeology or your performance line or the bod ropes, you have access to the workouts. I encourage you to go through the Get Started videos. They just kind of give you an idea of what to expect. There's also basic form videos and movement videos, which are super important as you're getting into the workouts, especially when you're doing things like this resistance training and some of the AMRAPs and the EMOMs, which you'll learn about when you're in this particular program. And then you have your week 1, week 2, week 3 on hashtag MBF lined out. Hashtag MBFA, which is the advanced version, will not be available until in August if this is a program that you're doing. But all the programs have this tab also, which is program materials. Always encourage you to click on the Get Started guide, because it just kind of walks you through things that you have to do, and you'll get that in the email that I send you as well, and in our customer getting started guide. But you know, each program has a getting started guide particular to that program. We always want to get our before stats done and our photos, and you'll be able to upload those right into the bod group, which I'm going to show you how to access in a separate video. Always encourage you to print out your workout calendar. You will get a printed calendar when you get your pack, but maybe you're starting a new program. And there's always a workout calendar. I like to have them so that the night before I know what workout I'm doing the next day. And then each day I like to X them off. And as you see yourself Xing them off, it really does help keep you motivated to continue on. When you're doing a resistance training like this particular one, or if you're doing Lift 4, Morning Meltdown, those ones, they have tracker sheets. So you want to print this out, and so you can track along what weight of dumbbells that you are using so that you can progress as you go. And then every program has a nutrition component to it. You will see the Beachbody Guide to Nutrition here. So speaking of nutrition, there is the Nutrition Center. Just get back to programs, because I want to go to the Nutrition Center itself. So if you go down, here's the Nutrition Center. I want you to start here in the Introduction to Nutrition. And this is going to just kind of give you an overview of both the nutrition video courses that you have access to, the 2B Mindset and the Ultimate Portion Fix. And you can determine which program you want that will suit you better. And if you need help with this, definitely reach out to me. I'm an Ultimate Portion Fix, although I do use some of the principles from 2B Mindset. So both are great programs. So you want to start with this Introduction to Nutrition and watch the Introduction to 2B Mindset, 4-minute video, 3-minute video, Introduction to Ultimate Portion Fix, a quick 3-minute video, Introduction to Shakeology, just kind of give you a better understanding that this isn't just a protein shake, that it truly is your vitamins, your minerals, lots of micronutrients that we're not getting from our food that we're eating. So that's a great video. And then in the Nutrition Center also is where you're going to find the particular program that you're going to follow for nutrition. My clicker's not clicking me back. Okay. So again, here's your 2B Mindset. Here's your Ultimate Portion Fix. When you go into the nutrition program itself, it is lined out pretty simple. You've got your lessons, so module 1, module 2, module 3, and you want to just go through those. There is program materials, so you will get worksheets and handouts to go along with it. I have a week of prep to walk you through the ultimate portion fix and the 2B mindset. So if you want that email series to just kind of walk you through each video and the lessons that you should be make a note of, then definitely reach out to me and let me know if I haven't already sent that to you. There are also meal plans in here, so you can check those out. In the BOD groups, you can see the BOD groups from your desktop, but to actually, unless you're a coach, to actually go in and log in and track your workouts and your nutrition and your progress and your nutritionals and things like that, you're going to have to get the app, which again, I'll share in a separate video. But you can go in here and look and think, oh, she's running this Rock Your MBFing BOD in August, starting yesterday. I want to request to join. So you can do that here. And then you can see past scripts and stuff. And then the blog is the other place that okay, whoops, can't take you to that page. Oh, here we go. Oh, good. So the blog has just a lot of great information. So fitness, nutrition, recipes, wellness, weight loss, results, science. What I like to do is if I'm doing my meal plan, I come to here a lot. And so you see I put in veggie sides or slow cooker meals, pumpkin spice shakio recipes. I wanted a healthy grilled cheese. So you can see some of my previous searches. And so I'll look for that and, or just go into the recipe guide here. And then and you can get into the shop page from here as well, but you can do that from your main. And then it just also gives you lots of information about things that are coming up. And then you could also just search for meditation. Did I spell that right? So, and then it'll bring you up topics on meditation. Okay, so super great tool right there. And let me stop sharing. So that is how to get in and start looking around to some of the resources and the programs and things that you have available to you. If you're waiting for your pack to come, you definitely want to go into your program materials, look at your workout calendar, look at the Get Started guide. You will have in the Beachbody Nutrition Guide and in the 21-day fix or the ultimate fix, portion fix, is how to calculate what bracket you should be in if you're following that program. If you're in the 2B mindset, it is a plate it method and you'll see the program materials there. I want you to let me know what program you're going to be following so that I can help you really get started with that in a way that is simple, because I don't want you to be overwhelmed. I really want you to go into your first week or two. It's a little overwhelming when we first get started. Everything new is, when we're doing change and doing something new, can be overwhelming, but just stick with it here and I'll try to make it as easy a transition as possible. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.